Welcome to Sunrise's channel. Hi friends, today I am showing you how to do in 10 seconds hair clip for Barbie. We can also call as headband or headband. For that we want scissor, fevicol, thread. It's a decorative roll. We can get it in stationery kundans in our home. And we want a waste plastic water bottle which has used first. Now we should take scissor and we should cut it like this. Now we also cutted it. Now we should take decorating roll and we should keep it here. See this. We should take the decorating roll and we should apply up of this one. I applied it. Now we should stick it at last and we should cut it. Now you can also cut the sizes and you can also keep it like this. It will be looking beautiful. I have folded it inside. You can keep also outside. It will look beautiful. And we will do another one. With this, first we should cut it from the waste bottle and we should take thread. You can take any color, but in this blue, the yellow will look very beautiful. I am keeping for my Barbie now. I took my thread. You should take the step 2. The 2 layers, you almost take 2 layers because the thickness of the 2 layers, we can see it. You can take 3 layers to you want means I have to only 2 layers. Now take it scissors and cut it. You can take, I have took 2 layers thin and I did it 4 layers. You should do like this. You can take 5 layers because the thickness of the layers, you can see the beauty of that. Take fevicol. The edge of that you should take it and take the thread and go to round and round. Some gap you should keep because we are sticking the kundans, that's why. See, I have stick the thread for this. Now I have so many sizes kundans. Now I'm taking yellow or green. I'm taking yellow because they are very small. We stick here with the fevicol. Take some fevicol and stick it here. And dry it for half an hour and it will look very beautiful. Let's dye another one. I took light green. Now I am sticking this white one. You should apply like this. Only we applied it and I'm sticking like this. kept yellow one. It is looking very beautiful. Dry it for half an hour and keep it for your Barbie. See now. See it. Yes. See this. It is looking very beautiful. The Barbie is looking very beautiful. You can do another one also. See, I have made 3 designs. You can keep here blue thread or any red thread, and you can do very beautiful. Thank you for seeing my video, friends. For seeing more videos, subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and comment me how do you feel it.